Good day, everyone. This is Mrs. Genove, your teacher. So, for today's lesson, we are going to learn how to read. We are going to read words with short U sound or the sound O. O. We are going to follow the family of UG, UN, UM, or UT. For UG, the sound is UG, UG. For UN, it's un. For it's um. For UT, it's ut. Aside from those, we also have the UB or ub, and UD or ud. So are you ready to learn how to read words with short U sounds? That's great! So let us start reading. First, we have the family of UG or the sound ug. Let's have the words now. Let us read. Bug, hug, mug, jug, plug, rug, drug, smug, snug, slug, shrug, thug. Next, we have the family of UN or un. Here are the words. Bun, run, sun, fun, gun, done, none, shun, begun, outrun, stun, spun. Next, we have the family of or bum, gum, some, thumb, hum, drum, yum, plum, mum, strum, scum, chum, glum. Next, we have the UT or the family of ut. Butt, nut, cut, tut, hut, shut, butt, jut, rut, gut, strut, shut, donut, Next, the family of UB or UB. UB. Pub, sub, tub, tub, cub, cub, hub, hub, rub, rub, nub, nub, club, club, stub, stub, flub, flub, grub, grub, scrub, scrub, shrub, shrub. Next, we have the family of UD or UD. UD. Bud, bud. Sud, sud. Cud, cud. Mud, mud. Spud, spud. Stud, stud. That's all for today, children. I hope you learned something from Mrs. Genove. That's all. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.